Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. This is the first in our series of What You Say numbers 1 through 6. What are these? Well, they're comments from our YouTube channel. Now, they're not the average comment. They're comments that stay around in my brain for a while. Do you ever have things like that? You hear a certain comment and you'll either agree or disagree with it right away. So you don't have to give it any, that much more thought about the situation. Kind of file it away. But these comments that I see, they stay around a little while longer. I think a little bit more about them. Would it apply to that situation, this situation? Would it work here, not there? What would the situation be? I think I need more examples, explanation, personal experience. I think that's really what's going on here. And I think this is going to be a format that we can do it. So I've chosen some comments that, hang around for a while. And I thought bring them to the forefront because things get lost on the YouTube with all those threads. And then, maybe we can focus a little bit more on these particular situations. So please contribute to the academic. No value judgments, criticisms. Life's too short. Come on, people. We don't need to do that. We focus on the academic. The facts are always friendly. Keep that in mind, okay? If you focus on the academic, we can get to the bottom of a lot of things. And I get it. Physics, I do it every day. It's a pain in the butt sometimes. I understand that. And unless you have a lot of math and science background, it can be like, go right over you. I get it. So that's why I think if we use our thoughts, ideas, and personal experience together here, that we'll be a lot better off. And I think putting them in a new format with 2 or 3 comments per video. I'm not going to go crazy. 2 or 3 comments per video, and then you can focus on those comments and make your comments appropriately with those. So What You Say 1 through 6, comments from our YouTube channel. Please contribute additional ideas and experience and thoughts to it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.